In my last video I have explained about what is mining. So if you haven't watched that video, you can also watch that before going to this video. So I will just give the video under the I button and also on the description. So don't mind that if you don't watch that, because it's not really important if you are just know about the mining. So if you are just new here, you just need to watch that video because it's also a deep information about mining. So let's see how to start mining and what are the things we just need to do on mining. So now I'm just gonna show you how to mine on PC. So for this you just need two things. First is a mining application. So we need to start installing the Unmineable. So you just need to search for Unmineable, where you can just see the unmineable.com. so just click and go inside of it, and you can also see how much coin we can just start mining with. And so for getting over it, we just need to download the Unmineable. So I just downloaded the Unmineable mineable version, Unmineable mining version. So you just need to download on that PC by just right clicking and saving as. You just need to click save as, and you can also choose the folder where it will just store it directly. And after that, getting that app, that software, you can also go inside of it after its installation, where you can just see here it's just installing now. So within few minutes I will just get installed, because it's just 50 MB I guess. And you just need to give remove from the list, or just keep dangerous file. So it's not actually dangerous file, so you can just keep that. So I'm just gonna open that folder, where you can just go with that software be installed on your PC. So it just takes some times, but it's not a big process to do so. And this Unmineable is a platform where you can just start mining, and this is the interface. And you can just need to click the continue button, and you need to choose whether you're gonna mine on GPU, that is graphic card, or CPU, and you can just select the tokens out here. So for now I'll just select the Shiba Inu, and this is the address where you can just need to send from your wallet. So for getting the wallet, you just need to go with the two options. One is by using the wallet of the crypto exchange which you use to buy crypto. So I just use CoinDCX to buy crypto, and I will just use this platform to get to as a wallet. So you can also use the crypto wallets like CoinDCX and also Robinhood, WazirX, and these are all the crypto trading platform and also act as a wallet. So I will just gonna take the BitTorrent, which is, so I'm gonna use this BitTorrent as a wallet. So first I just need to withdraw that BitTorrent, and to after clicking the withdraw, you will just see a QR code or a link which you will be copied. So after copying the link, you can just paste over there, or else there will be another option of saying that receive cryptocurrency. Receive cryptocurrency is nothing but it also generates the address, which is like the address it is just showing to you. So it's also a crypto wallet's address, and it's kind of a good move to just start by using these small coins for mining. So I'll just go with the BitTorrent or even Shiba Inu, because it's so small. We can just it's so easy to start mining. So after doing these kind of things, you just need to go to the software where I will just show you. After copying the link, you just need to go to this, and you just need to click next, and you can just paste the copied link here. So I'm just gonna paste it. So after pasting, I'm just need to start that, and here we go. So it's gonna start, and this is what it shows, the starting thing. And you can also check the status and the current hash rate. It does take some time for low-end PC. I don't recommend to mine on low-end PC, like the PC which is not more than i5. So just don't. And you can also just start mining using the second trader platform, where you won't able to get the cryptocurrency in the exchange of money, but you can also store the cryptocurrency. That's what I'm just talking about, the crypto wallet. So there are many crypto wallets like MetaMask or Coinbase, even Exodus. So I just recommend you to go with the Exodus. XRS is also a good crypto wallet with a great GUI, and also they have released XRS coin. So I just love the XRS coin, and also this thing is just available on the desktop and also mobile. I will just give the link in the description where you can also download the desktop version, but the interface of the XRS is totally awesome, so you can also customize it. And also here I'm just gonna download the XRS, so where you can just see the download button and you can just download it. So I just do it for the Windows version 64, and after downloading it you just need to take the file and do the setup. Its setup is nothing but not a big deal, so you can also just do it by yourself by clicking on a click, and here you can just get the account and do the sign in and or sign up, and here you can just choose a cryptocurrency. So I'm just gonna choose the BitTorrent, as I said. So here you can just see the wallets or portfolio, how much coins you have, and here I'm just gonna choose the BitTorrent. And after choosing it, you do have two options, send, receive. So if I just click receive, I do have the address of my wallet of BitTorrent. So after going to the unminable, you just need to start continue GPU or CPU. Okay, so here I just choose BitTorrent and paste the wallet address here, the BitTorrent wallet address of XRS. So this is what we just need to start. This is how we are gonna start the mining. So now I'm just gonna teach you how to mine on the mobile. Wait, it's gonna be my next video, so stay tuned.